What's up guys, Dylan here. Today I'm going to give you a lesson on how to play Villain by Theory of a Deadman from the deluxe edition of the Truth Is. This is going to be based off the cover that I did on this track. And I'm going to leave the link in the description for the tab for this one. First off, I'm tuned out a whole step. Every single string is tuned out a whole step. So it would be D, G, C, F, A, D. Now if you want to play a drop C, you can, but you're just gonna do the exact same chords, but just doing barred. But if you listen to the recording, it's actually you hear 3-finger power chords. Alright, let's start here with this intro, which is also going to be the verse. The intro is going to sound something like this. Okay, what that is going to be, you're going to go to the 3rd fret on the D, you're going to do a quick bend and release on it, and then hit the open D. So it'd be like, you're going to do that 3 times, and then 1, 2, 3. Those are going to be staccato hits. After you hit each one, you just mute it. So it'd be like this. You do it again, but you only do the bends twice, and then right before the whole band comes in, you're just going to do 2 bars of dead notes. And that's when the main riff comes in. There's the rhythm guitar and the lead guitar of that intro I just played in the beginning. And this is very simple. It's all power chords. The rhythm guitar is going to start out with a D power chord on the 5th fret of the A. The rhythm is, you're going to hit the first chord twice, and then you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret, and then hit the last chord again. After you do the slide, you're going to hit the chord you just slide to once. So it would be, so D to slide to C sharp to C. So, and then move the same power chord up a string and do the exact same thing. G twice, slide on the F sharp to F. So you do the exact same thing, but move it up a string. So it'll be like this. You're going to do that twice. Then the second half of the intro, there's 2 guitars going on. Well, the rhythm guitar is going to do that part. I'll just show you one more time. Then we're going to go 2 bars on G5. Then F. And that rhythm guitar bit is going to be the chorus. Now let's take a look at that octave bit. And you only do this octave bit just in the intro. It's going to look like this. Alright, we're going to go 5, up to the 8th fret, up to 12, back down to 8, so then up to the 10th fret, and then down to 8. So the whole octave bit slowly goes. Alright. And that takes us to the verse. And when the verse comes in, the verse riff is basically, you're going to do that intro bit, repeats over and over. You do that little bend, you're going to do that main part, that beginning part, 3 times. But at the end, instead of doing dead notes, you're going to go F, and then you're going to go to G5 and hit 8 times. So we're like. So that's going to be the first 2 pre-choruses. But the last pre-chorus, right before into the last chorus, instead of going F to G, you're going to go backwards. And then the chorus comes in, is the exact same as the rhythm guitar bit from the intro. Alright, then up to there, all those parts repeat. And then we have a quick bridge. It's just very simple. 2 bars on G. Then up to B flat. And then that takes us to the guitar solo. It's really simple. It's going to look like this. Alright, really simple. It's gonna now that main part I just played repeats 4 times, but with a tail end. We're gonna start out on we're gonna go 12th fret on the D twice. Then jump to the 10th fret on the B on the G, excuse me. Then you're going to go 12, 10 on the D, and then 12 on the G to 10 on the D. So it would be. And then we're going to respond by going 5th string, 10, 9, 8. With the vibrato on the 8th fret. So it would be. And just repeat that. Okay, and then we're going to end the solo. We're going to slide up to the 12th fret on the D. Now you want to mute the G string with your middle finger, which is what we want, and get your index finger to the 11th fret on the B. And then just alternate back and forth between those 2 strings, start from the D string. A few times. And then you're going to end the solo by going 13, 14, 15 on the B string. Basically, you're going to hit the first 2 notes 4 times. And then whole note on the 15th fret. And then the last pre-chorus is that G to F. And then you go back to the chorus. And then while the rhythm guitar is going to do that chorus progression again, then you do the solo again. But the very end of the song, we're gonna do now we're gonna do the exact same thing like we did in the solo, but we're just gonna move it down an octave. This part is gonna, and this is the part where the song fades. It's gonna go something like this. Alright, so what it is, you're gonna go 5th string, 5th fret, to the 3rd fret on D, and then A string, 5-3, to the 5th fret of the D, back to the 3rd fret on the A, so be, and then 6th string, 3-2-1. So be like, and just repeat that over and over. So be like this. And that just fades to take us to the end of the song. And that's pretty much Villain. I'm going to leave the tab in the description so you can go through it again, learn it through this, go through this lesson again, and you can give this song a shot, the exact way how Deadman played it. Good luck!